video, I told you a little bit about our S197 Mustang rear suspension kit and how we developed it and why we developed it. Throughout the years, we've done some upgrades to it, and I wanted to go over some of the upgrades. The first one is our incremental adjustment on the upper control arm. So you have, instead of one or two holes, you have infinite adjustment. There's typically a sweep of about 2 inches with increments of 100 thousandths so that you can really fine-tune your upper control arm and your suspension. Talking about the upper control arm, we did away with the urethane bushing. This is an upgrade. This has dual spherical bushings inside with 6,000 pound pull-out load per spherical bushing, so it has a 12,000 pound total pull-out load, and an 8620 tool steel inner sleeve. We made this smaller so that you could get more adjustment out of this. Typically everybody else just put one big spherical bushing in it, but you lost adjustment, and we figured in conjunction with our upper bracket we wanted it to be smaller, and we ended up making it smaller and stronger, so it gives you a lot more adjustment and a lot more strength. We upgraded our anti-roll bar. It is definitely still a bolt-in, but we made it our twin tube design. It is a double-walled tube for extra strength, and the anti-roll bar arms are machined out of 8620 billet steel also. This is for a car. You know, the S197s are typically a lot heavier than Fox bodies because it is a bigger car and it has more material in it. So these cars are, you know, upwards of 3,500 pounds at times and have 2,000 horsepower. And we designed this to handle that load. We added stiffener brackets to the back of the bracket so that you would get less bracket deflection when these are truly bolted in. We made these upgrades because we wanted to keep up with the power levels that all the great engine builders that they have out there with the Coyote motors and the Voodoo motors are making now. We wanted you guys to have a choice for a true bolt-in suspension that would handle the power. And I think we did it. We've got a lot of adjustability. You know, we've got 3 holes on the lower bracket, and it definitely drops the lower control arm and gets you that bar angle that you guys want. And the upper, it has infinite adjustability. In a 2-inch sweep, you can move it in 100 thousandths increments. These upgrades are available on our website. When you are looking at the S197 suspension, you can choose a package. You can upgrade to this better anti-roll bar. You can buy the anti-roll bar and the brackets by itself. You can buy the dual spherical upper control arm by itself, or you can add it to your S197 package. So check out all our options for the X197s at www.teamzmotorsports.net.